Hello, my name is Desiree de Lunae. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the Spirit of Spikenard essential oil. If you are new, I am an acupuncturist, herbalist, and essential oil expert. I specialize in emotional release work and creating smooth flow of energy in your body, mind, and spirit, especially with the use of essential oils. So let's dive into spikenard. This is of the valerian family, and I have heard all kinds of explanations as to what it smells like. I would say dirty, sweaty socks to mold. Yeah, I know. For some reason, people don't like the smell of this too much. But guess what? If you don't like the smell of something, it means you need it. It just shows you your personal imbalance, and that is a common principle in Chinese medicine and in Chinese nutrition. So, spikenard. What I like about spikenard, of course, every oil has its multiple functions and uses, but I want to teach you one aspect of it that I have been utilizing it for, is that it helps us to reawaken, reemerge those deep, deep dreams that our soul desires to express. I have to admit, in the last couple of months, I've had these sensations of, I think I've done it all. I've lived a good run of life, and I'm pretty peaceful. I'm pretty content. I don't feel like I need to do much more, honestly. And I felt spikenard calling my name, and almost like I was kind of like, all right, I guess I'm done. I've written some books. I've been teaching some great workshops. I am sharing essential oils. Like, I've had a good run of things. And then I remembered, oh my goodness, my dreams were way bigger, way more involved than in the way that I have been living and expressing my life as of late. So what I like about spikenard, as I said earlier, is that it helps get rid of the dust bunnies, okay, of our dreams, and brings it to the surface again, and just like, hey, remember this? This is important. This matters. The living out and the manifestation, I don't even want to just say manifestation. It's the daily practice and the execution of our dreams, like a yoga practice, right? Like exercising regularly to improve our body. That practice of our dream making is what creates tremendous circulation and flow of energy in our body, mind, and spirit. And that practice is a holy practice. You making your dreams come true is a spiritual and holy practice. And when you do that, guess what? You are harnessing in, you are channeling in that divine energy. You are channeling in from source. And so when you do that, you only move towards health. Got it? You have the highest quality frequencies that are pulsing and vibrating and circulating throughout you, throughout your energy field. And so spikenard is like, I know you think life's good right now, or maybe it isn't that good for you right now, but it certainly has more to do and experience. Not just doing anything, all right? Not just more for the sake of more, but it is doing what is right. What is the right practice for you? What are the right dreams for you? So what spikenard does is it brings it more into focus rather than it being kind of blurry, because when things are blurry and unclear, you just kind of forget about it. But when it is nice and in focus and it's crystal clear, you're like, oh, look at that. It's so much easier to practice and execute and do the things when it's nice and in focus. So let's get your dreams back into focus with spikenard essential oil. And one of the reminders that spikenard gave me too is that my dreams are not just for my own pleasure, which they are pleasurable, yes, and a lot of struggle too, but pleasurable and worth it. but my dreams are a contribution to humanity. And so remember that. Your dreams are not just for you, it's a contribution to humanity. And so, because I care so much about humanity and their wellness, right, and us just healing as a collective, it's not something I can just shelve later, you know? And again, not a hustle message, right? It is about being in flow. Being in flow with yourself, being in flow with the universe, and living in harmony. And so don't shelve your dreams, my friend. Get out your spikenard, diffuse it, do 2 drops of spikenard, 2 green mandarin, and 2 lemon. 2 spikenard, 2 green mandarin, and 2 lemon. Sorry if you hear the lawnmower. But we are going to put that in the diffuser just to bring it, activate it, and bring it better into focus so that you can move on with your very next stage in this life, in this cycle and season that you're in. Let's move on to the next stage to now live in practice of your dreams. And check out the link below so that you can get 3 of the best blends from my I Am Fabulous book. You can make them and use them right away. And make sure to check out this video, The Spirit of Blue Tansy, which is a nice addition to our discussion around spikenard. Until next time, see you later.